Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Nano Banana Gemini 2.5. Google Gemini has launched its latest version, which is the 2.5, and it is called Nano Banana, that has the best quality in creating AI images. To use it, you have to get the Google Gemini app. If you don't have it, you have to go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Gemini. Once you search for it, you will get the results. From there, you have to go for the Google Gemini and simply install it. It will just take a while in the installation. Once it is done, you have to open it up. Once app gets open, on the top you will see this option 2.5. This is the latest version and Nano Banana is included into this package. Here you will see this option banana with the image. You have to click onto it and simply give a prompt of whatever you want to be created. If you want to create something 3D like, you can also mention 3D printing, maybe 3D image or 3D video, whatever you have in mind, or if you have any other style or the way, you can also mention it up. Simply write it anything. You can go as much detail as you want to in your prompt, and once you're done, you have to simply send this prompt, and within few seconds the image will be created based on the prompt you have written. So once you have written your prompt, you can send it, and after that it will start creating image onto it. This process will take hardly 10 to 15 seconds, or maybe based on your internet speed. Once the time passes, you will see the image will be created. You can click onto the image to zoom in and zoom out to check the quality. If you want to create more images, you can give another prompt and further more images will be created. So that's how you can use Nano Banana Gemini 2.5. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.